How to add email address to your account on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add email address to your account on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and then click on your profile, and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will see this one, account. Click on it and then click personal information, and here you will find email address. Just click on it and type your email address here and click save. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.